Welcome back to Amazing Home Hacks. Thanks to all of you for watching, commenting, and subscribing. Some of you have asked for information about my workshop setup, so today I'll share that with you. My workshop is set up in my single-car garage. The main components are a portable workbench that incorporates a table saw, some cabinets that run across the back wall, and then some slat wall that keeps a bunch of other stuff organized and off the floor, so I have enough room to work. Let's start with the cabinets across the back. These are made using iron shelving units sold at IKEA. They're well priced and quite sturdy, but to be sure I've lagged these into the wall. These three metal cabinets are also part of the Ivar family of products and are specifically made to slide into the wooden shelves. They each come with one shelf and are handy to keep things stored and organized, but out of sight. Across the middle, I store small tools, hardware, and other bits and pieces using jars and a variety of small plastic bins that makes it easy to find things when I need them. Next is a pegboard section. I added the pegboard on my own, cutting it to size and screwing it into the wooden uprights. If you are creative with how you position the peg hooks, you'll be able to make good use of the space. Some items can be put on pegboard if you add cable tie loops or use the peg hooks to support them. A couple of plastic trays are useful if I'm working on something with a bunch of small parts. I turned this shelf into a charging station for my cordless tools. On the top section, I added a deeper shelf with a narrow valance. This provides additional storage for totes and other larger items. Under the valance, I have a strip of LED lighting that provides a bit more illumination to the workspace. But the main source of lighting is from this work lamp that I've mounted on the wall. I have a small bin to hold boards and offcuts, and these slat wall panels are highly recommended for keeping things off the floor. Like pegboard panels, you can make really good use of the space by being creative with how you position the items. The main workhorse is this mobile workbench that I can use to perform a multitude of functions. I published a separate video on how I made this. You can find it at the link shown. A retractable extension cord brings power wherever I need it. There's plenty of space inside to store power tools. So that's a quick tour of my workspace. I hope it gave you some ideas. If you have any tips on how to make small workshop spaces more functional, please share them. And thanks for watching Amazing Home Hacks.